はご覧のスーパーチャットの提供でお送りしました。ありがとう。
I used to have moments when I was younger. It very often happened in the car. Self-awareness and kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Not out of body, but like just have a moment where I reflect on myself. But whenever I did it, I saw a baby. Like, I don't know how to explain this.
Wait, what?
I
You see a baby?
don't know how to explain this correctly. Like a baby, like a, I don't know. I can't verbalize my experiences from when I was 5 years old. I don't know. But it always happened in the car. Where I'd be like, I exist. Oh gosh. And I'd see like a baby.
You're hallucinating a baby?
No, I was like looking back at myself, but I wasn't a 5-year-old. I was like a baby, but not even a real baby.
Oh my gosh.
I was a baby doll, like one of those dolls. I don't know
The things that you have seen, Mume.
how to explain it, but the more I talk about it, the more concerned I am. I never questioned it so much.
It's okay, it's just your inner baby.
My inner
The
baby.
baby of your
But
mind's
that
eye.
baby wasn't even real. It was like a doll, and it was creepy. But I wasn't creeped out by it at the time.
Did you play with dolls a lot as a child? Here comes the psychoanalysis.
Not really. I had a few.